All right, guys, welcome back. So, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go over chapter 6. So let's get started. For chapter 6, the first part of the grammar is called present progressive. So, what is the present progressive? In English, the present progressive are your verbs that end in ing. So, it's something that's happening right now. Now, this could be like I am running. That's happening right now. They end in ing. So in Spanish, the way this is broken down is into two parts. The verb is in two parts. So you have the word estar, and then your verb that ends in ando or yendo. This is for AR verbs. This is for ER and IR verbs. So an example would be estamos presentando. So estamos meets this requirement, the form of estar. And remember, the conjugations for estar are estoy, estás, está, estamos, están. Okay? And then back to the example. So you have the verb estar right here. So you have estamos, and then you have presentando. So this is this, right? So let's try another one. Let's say Juan is drinking. So we would say Juan, and because this is third person, you would use está. And then to drink is tomar. So it would be tomado. Because you take the AR and then you drop it and then add AR, or I'm sorry, ando or yendo. So let's try another one. Let's say I am. So yo, this would be estoy comiendo. This is the yendo, where the original verb is comer. You drop the ER and then you add yendo. Yo estoy comiendo. I am eating. So the uses are what's happening right now, what's happening over a period of time, and what's going to happen. In Spanish, the present progressive is never used to express an action that is going to happen. For that, you use ir, a, and then the infinitive. So okay. So the thing is that the thing that we have to learn is that some of these verbs change, and that's something that you should have learned back in Spanish 1. So you have irregular verbs. So for example, you have preferir. So when you want to make it into the present progressive, you would change prefiriendo. This E changes to, oh, I'm sorry, it's not that. It's this one, IE. Okay? So remember that those are always a possibility that they end up changing. So you have to remember your irregular verbs. So what about when it comes to reflexive verbs? So for example, when a reflexive verb, you can say, you can have an example like Pablo se, which is your reflexive part, está bañando. Ando being the second part of the present progressive, and está being the first part. Now, the fun part or trick, whatever you want to call it, is that this se can go right here and it still makes sense. So it could be Pablo está bañándose. And that's correct too. So the thing to remember is that it could be either in front, the present progressive, this is the whole present progressive. So the present progressive can be either in front of the se or after the se. Let's try another one. So I can say, estoy empezando a vestirme. So this, which defines the verb as being reflexive. So this is the reflexive pronoun. I'm sorry, I couldn't think of the word. So the reflexive pronoun can go either here. Oh, I don't know what happened. Okay, this could either go here or it can go here. So my other sentence can be me estoy empezando a vestir. Estoy empezando is your present progressive. This is your reflexive pronoun. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, please let me know. This would be chapter 6, part 1, and then we'll do part 2 and a part 3. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.